Good day, folks. Another S Group daily review video number 134. And yeah, we got our earnings about 2.5 hours or so ago. As you see here, 0.24% was the earnings for today. And I made combined, I think it was, yeah, $50.92. Just added it with my calculator here. So that's how much I made today, guys. As you see, my two investments. Which are these two right here, which I'll click over here. I'll show you. Going down here, see, I'm 14 days in, guys. I made yeah, $1.56 on that one, 49.36 on this one. My two investments I've running, they're both 14 days. And yeah, like I said, in my previous videos, once I get to 28 days, I will combine these two investments and take the earnings and reinvest it back in, or at least a portion of the earnings. I'll take the rest out. As you see, I have pending here, I have $376.10. And whatever gets added to this, I'm going to take all this out on Friday. And then I'll have money for, my expenses and things I need to do. So at that point, in 2 weeks from now, basically, I'll be combining because I'll be at 28 days. So, yeah, so at that point, I'll have some more money. I can do whatever I want with it. But, yeah, guys, I just want to do this quick video. There's another, if you guys noticed in my last video, I was mentioning the S4X Pro. This is a high risk, I guess, high reward, high risk investment that you can get into. Right now, it's in a testing phase, but you can see today, look at that big earnings, 2.08%, guys. So just think, if I had made that with the money I have invested, I would have made like maybe $500-600 easy. But the S4X, the one I'm involved in, it's low, very, 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 very low risk, and a decent reward. I wouldn't say a high reward. I'd say a decent reward. So yeah, I mean that's kind of how if you want to get into something high risk, high reward, you can definitely invest in S4X, but S4X Pro rather. But S4X is the way to go, guys. I've been in S4X since October of 2020, and if you guys take a look at my my page here, oops, there we go. My investments page, I've made $24,849, guys. I made this in about 2.5 years now, because I've been in since October 2020. As you see, it's May 2nd right now. So yeah, 2.5 years, just taking the money, reinvesting it back, withdrawing some, paying some bills, taking a little trip, doing some shopping, going out for dinner, things like that. So yeah, guys, if you want to be a part of this passive income so you can do all those great things in life, yeah, click on the sign up link down below. If you're watching this video for the first time, I don't know if you are, but also if you're a subscriber to my channel, thank you very much for subscribing. And of course, I'm just providing this content to show you guys my progress, to kind of get you motivated to get into this money earning opportunity. All you really do, guys, you just have to have money invested in the S4X market here. There's these other markets you can invest in, but S4X is the most popular one. And yeah, you invest your money in here, just leave it. And then every day between Monday and Friday at 8 p.m. Central Time, which is the days that Forex trading occurs, Monday to Friday. But at 8 p.m. specifically Central Time, that's when we earn money on the money we have invested. And as you see, guys, you look in my finance page here, you can see all the earnings that I've made over the last few days. Yes, today was 0.24%. Yesterday was 0.31%. The day before that was 0.15, 0.17, 0.14, and so on and so forth, guys. So yeah, if you guys want to have this type of passive income, yeah, just click on the sign up link down below. And once you do so, you'll actually sign up underneath my team. Shoot me an email, let me know that you've signed up, and I'll definitely communicate with you, answer any further questions. You can take a look at the back office, and I can show you around as well. And also, yeah, I'm getting towards the end of my 5-minute daily review video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below in this video. That way you can subscribe to my channel. You can see all my updates and progress as I'm going along. Because my ultimate goal, guys, once you get over to the investment section, I eventually want to reach 50,000 tiers. So I just passed this because, as you see, I'm at 26,000. So I'm in this tier right now. So I'm earning 80% of the daily trade. So I eventually want to graduate to this level, which is going to take a while. But once I get to this level, I'll be making 85% of the daily trade. So thank you guys for watching this daily review video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below. You can subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.